to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So here I am at Walmart, and I thought I would go ahead and show you their whole bakery area, well, at least half of it. They have some amazing things here. So for $3.98, you get the slice of cheesecake. I think it's like this New York style cheesecake. It looks like it has a strawberry swirl. So this here is the plain one, and here you have the two smaller slices. So you get two for $2.98. Okay, and then look at this. This is coconut cream. I love those individual little cups. And then look at these. So these are edible cookie dough, chocolate chip. That's $2.48. And look at the cannolis. These are chocolate cannolis, and they're $4.22. That's not bad, guys. You get with some coffee, wouldn't that be great? And then you have the churro caramel cupcake, I'm sorry. And so you have these cupcakes also, $3.64. Honestly speaking, these here, I would enjoy more. Here is the big serving. This is great for a party. $12.98. So I think that's a good buy. Looks like it's $1 a piece of cheesecake, or just over $1. Here's the smaller one. Here's the swirl. Here's the assorted. And then look at the variety cheesecake. This looks delicious. Here is the French style. I absolutely love the French style cheesecake. And look, they have the pumpkin swirl. This would be so nice. And then here they have reduced the Oreo. My son loves Oreo. So you have some of the pudding cups. This one's banana. Then you have, and these are all this one is no-bake blueberry cheesecake. Doesn't that look delicious? Wow. And then you have the unicorn parfait. Wow. Let's go back up here. Look at this. This is carrot cake. I absolutely love carrot cake. I have to learn how to make that fresh. And then you have your yellow cake with chocolate frosting. Here's chocolate cake with chocolate frosting. And those are $2.44. White cake. Oh, look, that has a little rose. So pretty. And then they have the Carlo Bake Shop. Oh my goodness, this is the velvet, the carrot, the chocolate, and the rainbow. I cannot wait to try that. Here's Mexican flan. I don't know if I like that, but here's guava, the guava cup, tres leche, and then you have the dulce de tres leche and strawberry. That's interesting, and so are these. So here's the Mexican flan, the big one. This was reduced. You say $4.80. I don't know. It's for the 19th is the expiration date on this. You can put this in the freezer, guys, and then thaw it the same day you're gonna eat it, and it'll be just fine. Then you have an assortment of the cakes. I'm just showing you in case you have an event coming up that you might need it. This is definitely just $25, $24.98. Oh my goodness. So these are $14.98, and those look delicious just as well. Chocolate cake, cookies and cream, confetti. And look at this, the tiramisu. Oh my goodness, I love tiramisu. Looks delicious. And then here's the regular cake set. This is so cute, like for an individual cake that you want to bring to somebody to say happy birthday. And then they have the cookies and cream here. Look at this one. So this is $13.84. And then they have the sheet cakes. This one is coconut, $5.98. Some more sheet cakes here, guys. Let's go look at the cookies. Well, here, this table, they have the cupcakes. And this is what I wanted to show you the last time. These are all cupcakes, guys. And they put them together and frost them along the top. It looks like a sheet cake. I can't turn it over to see what the price is. And then you have the regular cupcakes here in all these assortments and these colors. Let's go over and look at the muffins. Oh, look how cute. These have sunflowers. Here it is in Halloween. Now, the cupcakes are $3.98. I'm sorry. Okay, so blueberry muffins. The strudel muffins. And here's the chocolate chip. And these are the pumpkin cake rolls. I love these. So these cake rolls are $5.84. Look at them. Let me bring my cart over to show you the rest of these tables real quick. I'm trying to move quickly, but you should see, look at all that stuff they have. So you have your angel food cake, $4.48, and then you have the mini. Somebody put this here. You have the mini cupcakes, and you have them all in those flavors. I think I showed you the strawberry ones before. Here's an angel food cake, and here are the vanilla dessert shells. $5.48, and I think I showed you these before. So these are the chocolate chip cookie sandwiches. Oh my goodness, this is the one with the sprinkles, and these are called thumbprint cookies. These are assorted Italian cookies, and that's $6.47. That's not bad, guys. It saves you all the baking. Here is peanut butter fudge no bake cookies. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look delicious? And look at these, the vanilla cream horns. I love the marshmallow treats, and these are the eclairs, the mini eclairs. Okay, $3.47. Then you have the ooey gooey butter bars. I've never had this before. Then you have the 7-layer, and here you have the brookie. I don't know, guys, some of this stuff I don't know. So here is the cookies and cream brownies, the cream cheese brownies, the chocolate brownies, the mini bites, and the Oreo brownies. And then these are homemade cookies. Oatmeal raisin is my favorite. So these are really nice, and I'm loving the pies. I love blueberry pie. So we got blueberry pie, we have pumpkin pie. Oh, look, and they have the cobblers. I think I showed this to you before. And here's the sweet potato pie and the apple. So let's see what else is here. Apple and pumpkin. All right, guys, so let's take a look at one more table. I just don't like to not show you what they have in the sweets. So look at the assortment of cookies, $11.94. That's a lot of cookies in here, guys. That's good for when you have company. Here are the brownies. So these are the bigger sizes, I guess. And you have these. So you have the brownie, the lemon, and the 7-layer. $11.94. And you have the mini cookies over there. I got to get around here. Here are the chocolate chunk, the white chocolate macadamia nut, oatmeal raisin, cowboy. I've never had cowboy cookies. Wow, $4.98. I've had snickerdoodle, turtle brownies I've never had, French toast cookies, do you see that? $4.98. Cookies and cream brownies. Okay, so, and then here's the peanut butter chunk, and here are the candy cookies. Oh my goodness. So these are the little tiny mini ones, but they're still $5.87. So now over here, let's see what they have. So they have the cinnamon rolls, the little tiny mini ones, for $4.98. Here's a cinnamon roll. And here are cinnamon honey bun coffee cake. I'm not sure I read that right. Here's the strawberry rolls, which I've never seen strawberry rolls. I do like them. I really have to watch my sugars. So, assorted sweet rolls. And then here are some more cinnamon rolls. Oh my goodness. Now, we're going to get to the little mini muffins. They're $3.97. Chocolate chip, it looks like. Banana nut. And look at this little pound cake. $3.48. If you like pound cake, you could even use that for dessert. Cinnamon bear claws. I've never seen them this small. Okay, you have some bagels, fresh bagels here. And here are some croissants, mini chocolate ones. Belgian waffles. Wow, lemon. Here's some more lemon cake where somebody moved it over there. Cinnamon swirl, banana walnut. Oh wow, look at this. The marble. And I love the frosting. So here's the lemon slice. Here's the chocolate chip loaf cake, vanilla, and here's pumpkin. And here is the assorted. Okay, $6.47. So let's head on over here. So we have some donuts. Look at these. I like these. I think these are so cute. I'm gonna use these in a collaboration. So that's $3.97. You have the chocolate and the vanilla. And here are the apple cinnamon iced. They are so adorable. Here are the donut holes. And these look kind of cute. What are these called? The crullers. All right, so we have some more muffins. Chocolate chip I see, banana nut I see. Here's the triple chocolate. Oh my goodness, the cranberry orange strudel. And so they have lots of these racks with all these sweets. You have the cookies over here. So these are snickerdoodle. Those are sugar. That's chocolate chip over there on the end. And these say rollback. So $2.98 for these. But these are the smaller ones. And then you have the color ones. Aren't they so cute? All right, so now we have some croissants. Butter croissants. I love croissants. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.